like a week or so.
I'm your school bus. And I'm dropping you off at school.
Thank you.
Alright.
Thanks.
See you later. Mwah. You know, I was very seriously thinking about not getting Greggs for a little while. Since I hurt my wrist, I haven't done as much exercise as I normally would, just like bits of skateboarding. I'm certainly not going to be running around. And so I've started to put on a little bit of, you know, a little bit of...
What's the status? He's getting fatter. We can't stop it. Damn.
But then, like, almost as a joke, someone got me this for my birthday. Yes, please. These southern fried chicken baguettes are just to die for. There's probably like loads of sugar or something in these. They can't be good for you. Anyway. I need to get this sink fitted into a hole in the worktop around there somewhere, and it's going to be undermounted. It's going to go underneath and be stuck with some silicone and probably some little clamps or something underneath just to hold it in place. And I want the cutout to be about 5 mil off each edge. So basically what that means is I want the worktop to overhang the edge of the sink, so any water goes like this, hits the edge, and then goes down. So in this instance, it's 260 across, so I want it to be about 250 my hole, and I'll put 5 mil each side. This frame represents the inside edge of the sink, and I can use a flush trim router and follow these lines to make my sink hole opening. This is a template. This next part, it always makes me nervous. I hate cutting the hole out. This is only a little one, but could easily go wrong. Fingers crossed. Alright, I think that works good. A little bit of sanding to do, but not bad at all. Got really quite a neat finish on there actually. It's gonna live. See, now the sink can go up underneath like this, and it'll land somewhere like that. I think that looks pretty good. I'm pleased. Gotta go pick Maya up now. I'm going to be on pickup duties for the next couple of weeks. Wherever she wants to go, I'm her taxi. This is the next part of my YouTube short, is it?
Yeah.
All right. I feel like I need a better outfit. I'm a little bit scruffy.
I could go in.
You could go in. I could go to TK Maxx and just pick up an extra t-shirt like I wanted. What on earth? Why is my belly so big? I bought a new t-shirt specifically for filming that part of that YouTube short. And I had to pay for it. The code that YouTube sent me didn't work. So I don't know what kind of a fakakta club this is that I'm a part of. YouTube, you owe me like a $5. How's your frappalappa?
Thanks.
This YouTube club's not cracking up. No, wait, it's not cracking up. It's not all what it's cracked up to be. Is that how you say it?
Cracking up to what it's cracked to be.
This YouTube High Five Club is not all it's cracked up to be. The cinema worked. The Frappuccino didn't work. The Papa John's codes didn't work. YouTube, stop sending me duff codes because it makes me look foolish when I go into the shop and it doesn't work. You owe me a Frappuccino and a pizza that was free anyway. Pizzas are delivered, madame. Doing things a little bit differently today. Instead of me working and editing at the office until like 4 o'clock in the morning, I'm gonna come home, I'm gonna go to bed really early, and then I'm gonna start work at 5 in the morning. Just trying something out. I think I can do it as like a one-off probably, but I really am a night person and not a morning person. What are they? Owls and worms? Is that right? Owls and worms? The early owl birds the worm. This is weird, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I feel like I only ever put you to bed and then leave.
Welcome.
I've never seen the bed at 9 o'clock before.
Welcome to the Cool Kids Club.
Good night, guys.